Hello everyone, welcome to Candle Stories. Here we live trade and find everything in the market that's going on. Look for the next best opportunities and anything that markets gives us. Welcome to the channel. So I want to say hello to everyone, and I'm here to live test the market. I want to see what's going on in the market and find best strategies in the after around next 100 200 trades maybe. Let's analyze trends, gather real-time data, and get a strategy that works most of the times, like gives us our edge. Yeah, let's get into that. Alrighty. I think something's wrong here in my stream. Alrighty, I'm just setting up my chat box. Sorry, pin. Forgot my pin. Goodness. How can I? Okay, probably it's letting me through the chat. Okay, I'm on to the chat. Let's see, loading up, close. Alrighty. Hello everyone. So I don't have any viewers at the moment. Anyway, no worries. Let's start getting whatever's required here, and we shall do everything else later. Should have done that. Okay. Okay. I hope everything sounds well. There's no one that can tell me at the moment, so let me go and see this. This analyzer gold. Well, it's been moving fairly bullish since a couple of days, smoothly outside. Let's look at start from the monthly perspective, even if we don't swing trade, even if I don't swing trade actually. So we've got a support here, and then after that support we just plumbed up. It's a fair move. Let's get into weekly, and weekly has been fairly up. After this high, we've been going up to create a new high on weekly time frame. So this is all-time high for gold at the moment. So we had a good support at this range around 2600. So after this, the price has been moving bullish daily, just in daily time frame. We have actually come and retested this zone again. Let's look in the 4-hourly time frame. I really love to see a retest here, but this looks like this part has already been done. When was that? 3rd of February, 2 days ago. So yeah, good. Something on the light. Something wrong with my lights. Give me a moment. Alright, there you go. Fix that light there. Alright, let's see in the 4-hour time frame as we have gone down here and retested this zone, and this looks like another key area here around 2770. Alright, this and this has been retested, so we've got this zone retested as well, so we haven't got this zone retested yet. Oh, this was a new high and it hasn't been retested yet, so this is only my one way to see the market, how much it can come down, but it doesn't mean it has to come down just to that point. Anywhere near it. But let's keep this a zone which has been clearly a support here for the price to move further up, and this resistance was broken after this support was formed here, right here. Let's go dive into 30-minute time frame and see what's happening. So this is also a key support level, as price has moved up after this support formation, and we can see the clear rejection right here. So can we expect something like this here? To be honest, let's just draw our support here. This is our support. This resistance was broken after this support, so I'll take that as a good support, and honestly I would have entered here and this would be my stop loss, but as we have missed that trade already, I need to open my C trader first. Open up my C trader. And while that opens, 15-minute time frame. So we do have a support that has been respected previously to break this level, and we have come back again to retest this level. So in 15-minute time frame, it looks like we are gonna create a support here. That's what I want to see. I want to see a support created and then price to move up and break this high again today. That's for buys. Alright, so if we break below this, have we got enough room? Below this is a clear range to trade, but below this doesn't look like it could be fruitful. Let's just put that line there, makes it clear and visible. I want to go back. Let's go to 4-hourly time frame. So 4-hourly has started and it's midway. 2 hours and 30 minutes left in 4-hourly candle to close. That sound scared me. That was C trader. Sorry. Alright, let's scrub that up. Alright. Pop in. Sorry guys, I'm just setting up my C trader here. I don't have any viewer, but still looks like pound yen had jumped, and 30-minute candle closing bullish would give us sign for continuation upwards, but this is gonna be a one heck of a stop loss here, 50 pips. That's not what I can afford at the moment. Let's remove all the drawings, remove this volume thing. I don't know how it comes up every time, God's sake. Alrighty, let's analyze pound yen as well. We've only got 2 minutes before 30-minute candle closes and 32 minutes before London Open. So I can see fair gaps here. Price went up and has started rejecting that gap in a monthly time frame, but we're still early in the month, just the first week of the month. Can't say anything. Last two candles has respected their lows. So I still anticipate we're in a consolidation at the moment, as we have not broken any highs as well. We've gone and like a triangle. Weekly, let's get into weekly. How is weekly looking? So we can see a clear consolidation on weekly time frame, as this 189.290 being a major support and 198.850 being a major resistance at this point on a weekly time frame. Diving into daily, you can see some sort of a trend line here, but I don't really much trade on a trend line. So this seems to be a trend here. So as the price is dumping down after tapping this trend line, so as we've seen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't usually do trend lines, but it really has catch my eye today. But let's see. I don't want to miss out on gold either. 30. So 30 minute didn't close bullish, but the 15 minutes should have closed bullish. So I want a retracement just like this before I enter the trade. I don't want to enter the trade right now. If I enter the trade right now, my stop loss is gonna be I might miss the trade. My stop loss is gonna be 34, 32 pips. So let's see if the market gives us anything, any chance of entry during the pullback. So there's no lower wick on this current candle. I really needed that wick here for it to push up even furthermore with volume. Haven't seen that much volume at the moment, but we anticipate volume rush during market open or 30 minutes after that. Let's see what happens. Still looks like it's gonna push up, but no worries, that's not my trade. Alright, let's look into pound yen for the moment. It is an impulse entry trade right now on a 30 minute. If I look into gold, if I look at a 30 minute, whoa, if breaking this high would be an impulse entry, but haven't seen that volume at the moment. So yeah, probably wait on gold. Let's analyze pound yen. So keeping this on the background, let's keep this trend line on the background. How do I do that? Visibility is visual order, send to back. I can't send it to back. Hang on, let's put it, make it thinner, bring to front, send it to back, dude. Okay, whatever, let's ignore that for a moment. Let's put it as a dotted line. Dash line. So yeah, let's do that for a moment, because it seems like it's a key area as well. That's why I don't want to miss that. After every tap, the price has gone up and it hasn't come back, but we're coming back down here to retap, either to push up or to break below. There's not, I don't think there is other way, because the price has been consolidating in this area since the 6th of August. Oh hell, yeah, it's been a long time. The price has been here, so let's draw our support and resistances. Okay, let's get into support and resistance in a daily sort of time frame. We can see a gap down here. Gap. So gap. Okay, let's not focus on the gap. We do have a gap here. Let's just think that it has gone down here and the price started. The candles were not printed. Let's think of that way, and let's put in some support and resistances in a 4-hour time frame. This place looks like it's an absolute crucial place. Look how many times the prices has gone up and down from this area. So as we are only, I am only doing just few pips a day. I'm not looking into this as a big liquidity zone or anything, but it still looks like a liquidity zone, this one. Okay, but let's remove this thing. It's confusing me, distracting, to be honest. It's pretty distracting. Okay, this is a 4-hour support. Let's dive into 1 hour. Okay, this is our 1-hour support, and if the price moves down from there, this is the next expected area. So we've got 60 pips of range. Let's not worry about that right now because we've got another support here. So this would basically mean, just gonna narrow it down. Don't want to see the left right now because we've already seen on the left side what's happening. Gold, what's gold doing? Okay, it has gone down, and see the 5-minute chart. So we've got the push from the upside. So no volume at the moment, not much volume, so it might still consolidate. Let's see how it goes. Pound yen, alrighty, pound yen, there we go. Here we go, pound yen. This is a strong support as price has plumbed up from here, 47 pips. So looking into 30-minute time frame, a short trade like that might be our trade. That might be our trade. But is it late? Is it late? Thing is it late to enter 15 minutes? Don't think it's late to enter on this one. Why is my C trader not working? Okay. So I've got a buy position, and my stop loss would be 24 pips. So I've entered here. So my entry is do we have any sort of news today? Let me check last. There was none. So this is right at my entry point. So let's do a long position here. I am late for the trade, to be honest. 24 pips. I'll be really glad if I get another 24 pips here. So let's say I've entered half of my position only at the moment, but I've only entered half of my position here, and I would like to do another half on a retracement. Let's see if the 5-minute candles closes up or not. This seems to be the direction for the trade. I need to do something about this thing. Visual send to back, doesn't matter why. Let's make it lighter. Come on, lighter. Not Alright, anyway, let's not focus on that. Let's see if the 5-minute candle closes this, and I don't look at that on gold. So pound yen, 5-minute candle closing bullish. This is my first trade and it was a late trade, to be honest. We started looking too much on the other side. This would have been buys. Let me zoom in into this. This buys would have been right here at least. Would have been 10, 8, 9 pips up already, but 5-minute candle. We did that. That's good. Alrighty. It looks like it has got a little bit of volume on pound yen. The candle is flipping. Wednesday it's 95. So yes, right now it's so we don't have anything today. No news. And market. Market opens in 18 minutes. So will it go up before market open? That's the question. Will it go up before market open, or we will see a dip and then a push? So breaking yesterday's low. So the 15-minute candle looks good. If this owl candle stands up and tall, I'm gonna add my position. But the 5 minutes should have some sort of bullish. We do have created a new high. Let's see how we go there. Gold still pushing down. So pound yen, I am in, let's say 5 pips, 6 pips, and drawdown. Alright, how do I do this? I need to get something done with this color. The opacity should decrease there. It's like a green, but as you can see, this is the red area. I just want the candle to be seen here. There you go. That's probably right. So what happened before is we do have a rejection from here before. Let's see how market open treats us. Does the 15-minute candle stands up tall or not? Will the 15-minute candle close above this resistance? If yes, we're in for a treat here. I've got 0 views, no one's watching my stream, and no chats whatsoever. So the 15-minute class closed, and it doesn't look good at the moment, but 5 minutes lows broken. Gold. 15-minute has closed bullish again in gold, indicating a push. This should have been a good support, but as it probably that's the thing. I'm gonna double my trade now. I'm opening full position on pound yen as we move up. So basically my entry has become 191,553. 191,553. There you go. That's my entry, guys, and my stop loss is, hang on, my stop loss is gonna be here, 20 pips. Can see some volume in the market. This might be a direction for the price to move in, so my trade is my trade is at break even right now. Let's see what happens further. As we can see, the 15-minute has respected previous lows around these areas. That's what I expected. The 15-minute stood up and against this resistance, and I feel like this week on the previous 15-minute candle was the direction for the market. That's how I feel, and yeah, seems good. So let's look into the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute after this big push up, we have gone up. Now let's see how the market brings and how the volume goes up. I just want this 5-minute candle to close nice and strong and bullish, not doing dodgy things like that. It starts closing bearish. It has broken the low right now. Look into a minute candle. Doesn't look good, not at all. But okay, today's trade, it looks like the 5-minute is not gonna stand. Interesting. Now the trade has made this really dodgy kind of spectacle for me personally, but I can still see few rejection here, but the candles are going down. Looking at the higher time frame candle, they're still respecting lows. Any low broken would mean we can plummet down. So the volume is playing with us at the moment. It's 10 minutes till market open. I'm gonna wait and hold this trade until market opens here and what happens. Look, that I should really focus on one pair at the moment. I should stop looking at this. This was going down. Good. Perfect. Whoever took that gold trade here, if it was on market open, I would have taken it, but it's not on market open, so yeah, so be it. I am holding pound yen trade, and my position is currently minus 10 pips, and just waiting for market open. So 30 minutes not closing bullish here, and hourly 8 minutes for market open. Eight minutes till market open. This was a really big stop loss, 30 pips. Couldn't afford that much. I coulda, woulda, coulda. Let's just forget about that. And I wanted to try test new strategies and different kinds of options, not option trading, I mean different options for forex strategies like orb and what it's called, order block, and also the stuff, but I don't know how to do all those. I just fairly trade on support and resistance. I just want to create a data set for trading. Actually, I just want to create a data set for trading and see how it works, see which strategy gives more profit and which strategy holds most profitable runs, and which strategy can help all of us watching this video and to learn to how to trade and how to be profitable eventually. So here we can see the price is pushing up, but we're still rejecting this area. Any issues with this area? There you go. Let me just draw a horizontal line. Let's see this area. Analyze this area. Has been a rejection zone, not just once, many times. Once, twice, thrice, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This has been a rejection zone. So if we pass this point, we are in for a treat. I feel we are in for a treat. I'm looking to capture at least 20 pips. 20 pips, let's say 20 pips today. Let's see what happens. Hope this 5-minute candle closes bullish like it's just now, creating a stronger bias to my strategy or to my look of the market. And gold is also going up, so this was also a good trade, guys. Whoever took it, good on you. But I didn't took it because I said why, just because this candle broke above this candle first before creating a low If I had seen it after creates a low and then starts breaking again, that point I would have taken that buy, but we were busy on pound yen. We are still busy on pound yen. 5 minutes till market open, and I am in actually 9.5, 10 pips profit at the moment. Market looks good until it looks good actually. Let's see how it reacts to this area, how it reacts to the gray zone, or let's call this place a gray zone. How it reacts to this gray zone, that's my question. Is it gonna push? Looking at the daily candle, it's just dropping. It is just dropping, but the momentum is bullish. I mean, the whole over consolidation, but looking at these lows, the lows are getting higher and higher. Looking at the 4-hourly candle, this 4-hourly candle is giving me some sort of confidence into my trade, as it has just broken above last 4-hourly candle, and it has been halfway through its trade and has dipped down and taken liquidity and created a lower wick. But we can't just say that it's just gonna go and go. No, there might be retracement, there might be other sort of things. We should secure our profits when we can. So this zone, let's say if we break above or not. We have a good support in a 30-minute. After that, we have broken above high. We have all the confluences for a buy here, for me at least. Number one confluence would be a support after a support, a strong support with an engulfing candle of 40 pips and a consolidation breakout. This candle has broken out of the consolidation but has closed a little bit above. I wouldn't say it has broken out, but the next following candle has respected the previous low and has crossed above the previous candle's high, which gives me confidence that this trade is looking good, and we can sort of expect 35 pips this candle. So with volume, we can sort of expect some sort of that candle, 35 pip candle at this point of time. That's what I'm looking forward to it. But this zone, let's see how it goes. It's pound yen, it's not gold. Don't expect 40-50 pips at once. This trade, look at that, it's already 37 pips. We're just hanging out in pound yen. I prefer gold trade especially, but the first opportunity is the first opportunity. This is my first trade on a live stream, so I really hope it goes well. But as I've seen all the confluences, after this trade we are going to write down and map down what we did, how we did, and what we did basically. So my trade is still on 10 pips profit. As I told you before, I took the trade late. The trade should be in here and my profit should be already around 14 pips, but we took the trade late. Now as the trade has gone up into profit, I'm gonna move my stop loss below the current candle. If it breaks this current low, there's no way it's going back up again. So my stop loss has gone to 13 pips from here. Yeah, in around 13 pips. Stop loss here. So if we, let's say in an hourly candle, this is a bullish engulfing candle. This is a FU candle. Sorry, cancel that. This is a FU candle. Anything can happen. I'm ready to close my trade and I'm ready to secure profits as well. Market is open and we have done the first dance and we have crossed the previous candle's high. I don't want the candle to come back again and do anything nonsense. So if you start doing anything nonsense, I'm gonna take profits right there. So this is a gray area, as I've told before, as I've spoken before. This seems to be a gray area, but the price might go up as we've seen an engulfing candle. Let's see previously what has happened. Let's go into a 30-minute time frame and see what has happened in the previous instances. My computer is lagging. Sure. So if the candle, all right, we are still on profit. If it starts breaking its low, I'm gonna secure half of my position right there. Okay, we are seeing a bit of a pull down, but as my computer is started to lag, since YouTube is not doing whatever. Oh god, YouTube. My computer is lagging so much. What happened? The hell? Something's something wrong with my stream. So my stream status is currently poor. Don't know how. Got a good PC. It's working well. Don't know why it's lagging so much. Oh, okay. Hello. Got no idea why it's lagging so much. I'm gonna quickly go and check out my stream and come back in a minute. Alright, I didn't get to close my trade. What's happening? Alright. So some kind of funky action going on. My trade is only on 6 pip profit. What's happening? Let's say it's dunking down. Let's see if we retest this level and then move further up, or we are rejecting this level. Let's see. I should start securing my profit, but couldn't do it because of this YouTube thing. Not gonna blame though, but I should start looking at things. Currently 30-minute haze dancing around, broken above, haven't broken below. 5-minute is doing something here. Let's see if we can form a support here for the price to go further up. So why is my YouTube studio something going crazy? Let's open YouTube Studio. See what's happening. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Does that mean my upload speed has gone down? Or what does that mean? I need... Goodness. Okay. The chart has plumped down into my area. Well, it has rejected the gray zone, as spoken, haven't done anything after the chart acted funny. That is actually my problem here today, but still think this is good. That is why I'm holding, even if it has come back to my break-even point. It just might retrace a little bit, but have a look at gold. Boom, boom, bam, like always. This is the beauty. 50 pips, goodness gracious. 50 pips. Alrighty. Look at that candle. God. That's a massive candle. And I forget to look at pound yen. Look at that. After this retracement. Whoo. Look at this. When we went up, we did a retracement of 16 pips. We probably doubled how much we go because we are going up 24 pips. $15 pips we gone down. I expect this to go above there at least. Let's see if we break above this place. My position is just in 7 pip profit. I don't know how I took this trade. This was not the greatest entry of all time, I would say. There will be such a sweet trade. 20 pips would have already been in the bag. But we still have got a lot to go. Sheer retracement on the way, no issues. We have pulled our stop loss from here to here, securing 9 pips already on this trade. Let's see if this 5-minute candle maintains its bullish position and gives us another 5-minute candle that can break above. This hourly candle has gone down and retested this level. Now it's just a matter of time, if the market is going bullish. It has everything it needs: a consolidation, an engulfing candle, support, and a breakout. Let's see if the market wants to push up or not. Let's see if this 5-minute candle closes bullish above this level. Let's see if it goes above. Okay, my YouTube studio says excellent right now. I don't know what happened, but now it says it's excellent. Okay, this candle is maintaining a bullish structure. So I expect another candle to do the same. The 15-minute candle has closed bearish above and it has gapped down. So let's see what we can make of it. Starts any signs of rejecting, we can. In a minute time frame, it has broken above this level. Let's see if the candle can break above this level and create a new high. This is another target. Let's see how this 5-minute candle goes. Our 15-minute candle has closed both bearish, and this candle is making a top wick, which signals me it might go down. So are we creating a resistance right here, rejecting this area? Do we need more retracement to go up? There are many questions. Let's see what the market does, and I'll try my best to secure my position and not to get any unwanted loss, not to be in any unwanted loss. As I can see, 15-minute candle has maintained the bullish structure but hasn't closed the high, nothing. This was actually a good trade. We got 18 pips. Was actually a good trade. No question on that one. But I'm targeting a little bit more, as not being greedy, to be honest, not being greedy, but as we have this clean range to the left hand side, that's what I want to target. Look at the clean range. We've got heaps. Even if I just calculate from here, let's go to the next one. We've got 54 pips of clean range, and that is nothing. If you look at the gold chart, it's rocketed. Can't catch that now. So stuck with pound yen. Alrighty. Let's see if this 5 minutes can maintain its bullish position and try and close above this small resistance at 5-minute time frame. Let's see how that goes. And to all the viewers, there's none in here right now, so to all the viewers I would like to say, probably my future viewers, in this channel I would love to have community engagement, and I would love everyone to come and say what their idea is and how their perspective on the market, and how do they use their risk management, and are they profitable, are they in break even, and what are the trading psychologies, and are we doing any sort of niche trading, or those sort of things basically. And the main thing is risk management. That's what I would like to know, what everyone is doing. So the 5-minute candle closed bearish. So now my job is to just wait and close the trade. Close half of it. Don't want any unnecessary loss. If it goes up, it goes up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Look at that. Close half of my position, and the price is going up. Now only half of my position is closed because I wanted to manage risk. That is my risk management. I wanted to close some of the trade after this, but it didn't happen. So anyway, I closed half of my position here, so I secured half of my risk. I only risk quarter to what I had risked initially, because I've moved my stop loss from here to above, and rather I'm going to put my stop loss down at the bottom of this current hourly candle and decrease my risk even more. I haven't got much to lose right now. It wasn't the best trading day, I would say, due to some laggy issues, this and that, and delayed trade. Couldn't catch my 20 pips on this trade, but I'm still looking, I'm still hoping this trade will go right, and if this trade goes right, I'm looking at least 30-40 pips from this trade, which would make my profit target eventually, but it is still playing out. Look at this, it's just going up. Holy moly, 71 pips, goodness, that would be my 7 days profit target in a day. Alrighty. From tomorrow, we shall focus on gold, because I haven't traded London session in quite a while, and I was just doing New York session, and gold was moving good in New York session, and I didn't think it would do its dance in London session as well, but here it is. That's why I focused on pound yen, but the pound yen is sort of doing some naughty things. There we go. The 15 minute has 30 minutes still bearish. I want this 30 minute to close bullish so that I can add some positions in this. If the 30 minute candle closes bullish, I might be able to add another position, expecting a little bit of retracement. Alright, let's see gold. As gold has gone up, this was a really good support. What I'm looking next how to trade on this is, let's see if we've got any drawing thing. So okay, we haven't got any drawing thing. Why? Oh, there you go, the path thing. So as you see, price moving up, coming down, up, down, high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows, and high. It's gone high. I'm looking for a low somewhere here for the price to move back again. Looking for a low somewhere here for the price to further move up. So I'll mark this as my entry. If we get a retracement down here, we can enter and grab this much at least, but it's not gonna be now. So yeah, let's look at pound yen. Look at that, the 30 minutes about to close, and the 15-minute candle has closed strong bullish. I am in a very secure position with this trade. Even if it goes back down, there is no issues with it. Let's see let me remove this thing now. Let me remove this thing. As we know, I entered around here. So let's see if we can break above this week. Let's see how. Let's see if this candle can go furthermore up and close as a strong dozy candle, strong kind of dozy, strong dozy that has a fair bit of size and has a top wick and longer bottom wick. That's what I call strong dozy. 15-minute candle looks alright, nothing we can say before it's closed. 5-minute candle has closed bullish above the zone, but it has very minute wick. So let's see how it's gonna go. Wait for the 30-minute time frame. 2 minutes and 30 seconds until next 30-minute candle. Looks like this 30-minute candle's gotta say something to us, but it can lie to us as well. That's the main thing about here, these candles. Nice push. I'm loving this gold chart. Sorry. So there's nothing in a 30-minute time frame as if of resistance or support or anything. But if we look to the left as we did before, you can see a lot of rejection on this level, and we still got a small kind of a small resistance is a 15-minute and a 5-minute time frame, but we won't focus much on this resistance, we'll ignore it. But it still looks like a gray zone. A lot of wicks dipped into this zone, a lot of rejections in this zone. So even though trying to ignore it, look at all these, this is that level. And look at these levels from above here. It's so clean in here, most of the places. I'll say it's clean traffic through this left hand zone. That's what I want to see. I want to see a breakout above and a clean traffic going up, covering all this area. Let's see, 30 seconds. This 30-minute candle, first 30-minute candle of the market open will close in 20 seconds now. It has rejected the bottom and they tested previous level, but it hasn't showed any bullish signs like showing I am a engulfing candle or a good dozy candle. Hasn't showed any of those signs. So let's see. Now the market has gapped up. Remember, the market has gapped up. I've seen this. We just need enough volume. We don't have that volume at the moment like we did before. We don't have that volume. How did the 30-minute close? 30-minute close at weak dozy candle, indicating the buyers and seller pressures are equal. A little bit of more buying pressure, but the sellers are still active. They might think, we're gonna retest this level and go down. That might be the case as well. That's why there is sell pressure. But let's not look into the market just with traders' perspective. There should be a lot of things going on behind pound yen. let's look at the 15-minute. It has created a support around this area. Now in a 15-minute time frame we can see clear support and respecting the lows. That's what is the best in this chart right now, respecting the lows. The lows has been respected. Last candle has been unable to go above the previous candle high. That was the first candle to do in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sixth candle has not crossed above previous candle's high. So let's see if this candle will be able to cross above this candle's high. If not, then we're in for a consolidation for some time. Right. I'm really stuck in that trade right now as the volume is gone. Let's see the orb. Let's see that orb thing. So orb is basically what I learned from the others is that, oh, look at my light. It's been playing around a lot. I need to put it in a good space. So let's see, if the 15-minute candle breaks below previous 15 minutes low, that's it guys, I'm gonna be out of that trade. It looks like it is gonna, there's no going back from that. Alright, let's gold and I hope gold will retrace in some point. Slight volume injected to pound yen. A little bit more volume than what we was looking before. I'm spot at the moment. Just looking for another gold retracement. Textbook trade, I would say. Textbook trade. That would be a textbook trade. We'd come down any of this area and then create a support. Looking for a sell. Oh, sorry, a buy actually. Not looking for any kind of sells in gold whatsoever. Alright, pound yen has dropped and my position is in a loss right now. It's not in a loss, in a pip, so 5 minute. Alrighty, that's what shows me to close now. Edited. I'll close another 50%. I'll probably close another 70%. So the 30-minute candle is going down. Why do I feel like we are retesting this level again to just push up? Let's see if we see any support here. I've saved all my losses for today, so I can't take a tear trade again. And let's see if we can do it. If we plumb down and create a support, that's when I'm gonna take another trade, re-enter the market. But as if now, yeah, I am out. So today in total I have lost today in total I have lost 0.1% of my trading capital. My daily risk to reward ratio is 1%, 1 is to 1, 1% loss, 1% profit, but I've lost 0.1%. I would say I did try to manage it well, but didn't see this coming. Look at that. La la. La la. Look at that volume. But it's going on the wrong end. So if you look at the hourly candle, if it closes below this, looks clearly like a fake out. And if it engulfs these, oh goodness. Let's see if we can make a support here. I still don't want to sell pound yen. Let's see if we can make a support at least on a 15-minute time frame. And I hope this candle doesn't close below these resistances. I hope it close above these resistance. We are dipped in again in the same zone. So there is no trade at the moment. So were we looking for more liquidity to hunt before we push up. So let's see the first 15-minute candle of today. So looking at the orb, let's see, that's how, 15-minute candle. Looking at the orb. So this was our first 15-minute candle. So this was basically our zone, and the candle has come down. This was our orb zone. It went up, didn't break above, went down, directly down. No confluence, nothing whatsoever. Let's see if we can create a wick up. The 5-minute has closed in this support area, a 5-minute support, but I'm not making anything of it until I see a good support. Nothing. It was a good trade here. Didn't manage to make any money though. Still happy with my risk management. After all, we're here to save our capital first. Alright. Sorry, excuse me. Pretty good sales. Any news? Nothing actually. Pound yen, it just missed all the trades, but happy for good risk management. Markets are really good at the moment. Alright. No buys happening any soon for me in pound yen. By the looks of it. I think when is Friday? What's day today? Wednesday. I think Thursday we're looking for a drop down in NFT, NFP, NFT, whatever. I'd love to see a little bit of retracement on gold. This NFP. It's just going and not coming back. Even if I end the stream, I'd be looking for a pullback at this level on gold for a confidence buy setup. Pound yen is just doing some bullshit. 30-minute gone down. Might be a good setup or whatever. Let's see if this at the end of the hour, if we get any setup, we get. Otherwise, done for the day. I'll take today's loss. I would say break even, 0.1%. If I make $100 a trade, that would be. That would be how much? $10? Yeah, $10. So as the stream grows, I will be able to bring more engaging things into the stream for the viewers and for everyone. We can communicate together like a Zoom session or anything or something, and communicate with each other, get all the insight, get all the views on how, and I can get a different view on the market. And on tomorrow's session, I'm gonna make a live tomorrow session I'm gonna make a chart, so where we will put all the data set in. Let's see how that goes. So two things I'm looking here, either for it to go down or it to close up. That's it, nothing else. That's what I'm looking. In pound yen and in gold, I'm looking for gold to drop down for a retrace, for a retest. That's what I'm looking in gold, as gold has always done it. A retracement, you can see, break above this level, form a new high, retrace, go above, consolidate, break above, retest, break above, retest, break above, consolidate, retrace, whatever, break above here and retest, break above, retest, break above, retest. Here at the lowest point with the 5-minute or a 1-minute wiki candle, I'm gonna take a buy here, and we are going to make 100 pips from it. I'm not gonna guarantee that, but at least 50 pips. We might see that in today's New York session. Let's see what's happening with pound yen. Nothing basically. So we have actually got an hourly fake out here. If it closes this way, this would be an hourly fake out. That is gonna drive price down. Ten more minutes. Ten more minutes. Looks like it is retracing. see. Well, there's nothing we can do. There's nothing I can do at the moment, so I'm just gonna wait. Now, don't feel like I'm gonna get any setup. Just thinking about playing a game now. Give it a game of FIFA. I'm not a pro player, but still. Still, I'd love to refresh myself. Let's give it a bigger time frame perspective. Weekly is still high to give any perspective. Come back from the bottom. It has created a good fair amount of resistance here, and this is a good support. It's just consolidating. So 4 hourly had actually supported my idea of buys, but it's a spinning candle now. It looks like a spinner. So that's it. The hourly candle is looking like a fake ad candle. It will definitely depend on how it looks like, how it closes. But if it closes inside this range, it's not gonna look good. But has the daily low been broken? Yes, the daily low has been broken today. $4 still hourly close. What's happening in the smaller time frame? Smaller time frame, we're creating a resistance here to drop down further. 18-20 pips range. This is the consolidation area, so wouldn't be a very good idea to trade, but looks like a good sell-off. Absolutely 11 pips. 1:3 profit ratio. Looks like a good sell-off, but not taking that trade right now. Looks good actually, but I think I should wait for gold straight rather than pound yen. Let's focus on gold trade from tomorrow, and we've got NFP. We'll do a live NFP trading on, oh hang on a bit, Friday. What have I got from Friday? Yeah, I'll still be up for NFP anyway. Doesn't matter whatever I got. We'll do a live NFP session on Friday. Hopefully then I'll get some viewers. Just talking to myself. It did look good. Until then. So basically this was the trade of the day today. Right here. Did only could manage the trade. Could not get any profits out of it. But still fine. Break even day I'll call it. It's gonna be let's try to lose least as much as possible than winning a trade. So the 15-minute candle is forming a support, doesn't have a lower wick. If it can close up and create a wick and come down and close here, would be a good buys. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Retrace. Okay, the hourly candle has closed. The hourly candle looks like this. It looks funny. It hasn't broken the low, but still it has engulfed half of it, but it has retraced from here. So it's a little bit, a tiny bit of bullish pressure, but still the body is big, which gives me an idea that the sellers are very much active in the market. I'm feeling very sleepy at the moment. The sellers are very active at the moment, and yeah, it just doesn't look too good for a buy or sell. None of that. Volume is down. So let's put it into perspective. So how did I take my trade? So remember, always remember, please, if you're watching, please remember to watch this last part. I'll say this is my last part for today, as I'm getting bored. And we did a break-even trade. This is the support and engulfing candle. We can see a minor resistance here on an hourly time frame. Diving into 30-minute time frame, we had a consolidation zone. Right here, consolidation zone, and this candle engulfs the whole range, and the another break above. So this was the trade. This was the trade. It went up 22 pips. As I was doing nonsense today, I couldn't capitalize on it, but I still managed to close it on break even. So that's it for today. Confluences are consolidation, formation of support, engulfing candle, break above the resistance. That was my confluence, and now the candle has plumbed back down. Sorry, haven't got anything to say about it. Gold. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Thank you. Please like